Hello, kids, and welcome back to another episode of How to Trace Alphabet Letters. First, we have uppercase letter M. M is for monkey. M is for money. Let's trace the lowercase letter m. M is for mine. Next we have the uppercase letter N. N is for nest. N is for nose. Now let's trace the lowercase letter n. N is for ninja.